Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 6355 Glen Avenue. This is an amazing Canandaigua Lake getaway with 100 feet of beach access. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This special property welcomes you and your lake guests with a very spacious front yard and this huge entertainment-sized wraparound deck. The hallmark of this amazing getaway is this great room, which has access to the deck via the front door and sliding glass door for a great lake lifestyle with easy one-floor living. This open concept living also has a dining area and kitchen with updated stainless steel appliances, plus 2 bedrooms and a bath. Great to get some rest after enjoying a day at the lake. This amazing property is part of the Newaygo Cove Association, featuring this boat launch dock and a separate swim dock with approximately 100 feet of level waterfront. From the waterfront, you have panoramic views from the north, west, and south. This is the ultimate Canandaigua Lake lifestyle with a great waterfront community. You could have it all with this Canandaigua Lake Beach getaway. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6355 Glen Avenue, nearby Canandaigua Lake. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.